This is Scott Susu back in another video. It's a sad video. This morning, I was talking about that tree yesterday falling down in the storms and crushing my camper. It didn't work out like that. However, the tornado did. We had numerous tornado emergencies last night right here in my yard, basically. And the tornado ended up jumping my house and killing several people behind my house and my property. So it's sad, and I just want to send prayers out to the people, and I want to be thankful that I'm still here. Camper's fine, the house is fine. It was pretty nasty last night though, and we made it to the closet in time. You have a good day.